Learn with Discord Me. No matter the platform, there's always going to be someone trying to hack it. Plenty of large companies have dealt with data breaches, whether it's credit card numbers or complete credit history. Discord has its own issues. Spam comes in waves, and while there haven't been total data breaches, certain attacks have made people nervous. Well, we are going to try to be as comprehensive as possible about how to keep your Discord server safe from attacks. This will include built-in security features and common sense actions you can take every day. Because we want to be as accurate as possible, please don't hesitate to leave a comment with how you defend your server or if any of our information has gone out of date. What you can do within Discord. While these Discord security features won't protect your server from every threat, it is good to have them in place. The app comes with a lot of baked-in security features that you should take advantage of. These are simple things that defend against basic spam, but they can go a long way. After all, they only take a few moments to set up. Verification level. Server verification settings can help protect against individual trolls as well as immediate spammers. There are 5 levels of security, ranging from unrestricted all the way up to requiring members to have a verified phone on their Discord account. This maximum level of protection is not needed in most cases, but is perfect if you're extra paranoid. Discord themselves recommend level 4, which requires the user to be a server member for 10 minutes before being allowed to post. Filter explicit content. The next level of security is for not safe for work content and explicit spam. You can leave your server wide open to any message, scan only messages from regular members, or scan all messages sent by anyone in the server. This won't catch every spam post, but will scan some that have obvious not safe for work language or images. Require 2-factor authentication. 2-factor authentication will protect your server from hackers who gain control of your admin's accounts. Requiring 2FA means that all admins need to have 2FA enabled in order for them to even use the server. This won't help against raids and spam, but will prevent some unfortunate situations in which an admin's information is compromised and a malicious person nukes your server. Set up a welcome channel for verification. Many servers are customized to start a user on a specific page of the server. They have to verify that they are human by answering a question or typing a specific command. This will at least be a roadblock against some attacks, but will not stop all of them. If the attack is specifically targeted, the fake accounts can be programmed to answer the command. You can also have moderators personally verify each user who joins, in which case it will be obvious that there is an incoming bot attack. The Discord widget. The Discord widget is something that can be embedded on a website and will link to the server and show all online users. Over at Discord Me, we figured out how to leverage it to generate server invites, but security concerns from the widget that appeared in 2018 forced us to take a different route. We currently suggest that our servers disable the widget, and we no longer require it to have your server discoverable on Discord Me. We have created a secure bot to handle this task instead. Discord Me servers are now much more secure thanks to this switch. Our bot is non-intrusive and doesn't handle sensitive information. Disable invites from roles. One way that bots are raiding innocent Discord servers is by using an invite link to invite numerous other malicious bots. If this is something you would like to avoid, you can disable invite link creation from roles to prevent these self-assigning bots from using a never expire invite link for nefarious purposes. If you want to be particularly safe, never use a link that doesn't expire. Mass invite attacks. Mass invite attacks can happen when someone creates massive amounts of invites and Discord prevents users and good bots from creating new ones. We suggest that servers disable the default role, that being the @everyone role, from creating invites and instead only allow a higher up role or only mods to generate invites upon request. IP security. By default, Discord uses IP security to protect you as an individual user from DDoS attacks. Your IP is secure and safe, and you will have to verify your account by email if you attempt to log in from a different IP. However, you need to be aware of external links. Once you leave Discord, that website can know your IP address. Proposed ideas. Thanks to Discord's public feedback forum, we can see some of the creative ideas users have come up with. Some of these deal with security issues, and there are some great ideas. Some of these can even be taken care of with bots. One popular idea is to enable a server freeze, which would allow a server owner to essentially flip a light switch to turn their server on or off. If a raid is happening, just shut off the server to stop the raid. This proposed feature would also pause all server invites, so a live bot attack would get shut out halfway through. Some users have accomplished this maintenance mode through the use of bots. One of the shortcuts to accomplish this is to execute a command that strips users of their role, gives every user a new role, and have that role only be able to access one channel, which is one that can't be posted to, and says something to the effect of "maintenance in progress." Malicious Bot Attacks. The most common way for servers to be attacked is with a massive influx of bot accounts. Unfortunately, the information on how to raid a server is very public knowledge and not some secret hacker methodologies. You can easily find YouTube video tutorials and even entire Discord servers dedicated to raiding other servers. These trolls try to perform DDoS attacks on a server by overwhelming it with spam messages. Discord Me almost fell prey to one of these attacks ourselves, but managed to contain it without a server crash. Our giant list of banned users whose accounts have been deleted exists to prove that these were not legitimate users but just malicious bots. Malicious Discord bots. In addition to bot accounts, there are actual Discord bots, the extremely helpful tools you can install on your server, that can end up being malicious. The worst part about these bots is that they can assign themselves roles, including moderator and admin privileges. Luckily, these bots can't join a server on their own, so this attack will have to come from within. And it can be an honest mistake on the part of an admin who installs a bot that unknowingly comes with bad intent. If you are not comfortable with the role that a bot has, try to remove that role. If the bot doesn't function without that role, decide if that is something you want to risk in your server. For example, your music bot probably doesn't need to be able to kick and ban users, so make sure that it can't, or find a new one if it insists on having that permission. What to do about raids. Now, of course, raiding is against Discord's terms of service, but when has that ever stopped anyone? Discord has stated that if users fall victim to raiding, they can email the Discord support team. However, this isn't very helpful after the fact. Discord has stated that they are working on anti-raiding initiatives, however they cannot disclose any details so that malicious users do not try to circumvent their efforts. Discord can be a scary place, but it doesn't have to be. Educate yourself with our tips and do your part in making a more secure Discord.